A very good morning to all of you. First of all, I congratulate and welcome you all to the Department of English. I am Assistant Professor Mogekar Nandakishore, working as the head of the English department in Nanath Mahavidyalaya since last 20 years. Nowadays we are passing through a very tough situation, Corona pandemic 19. Because of this particular situation, because of this particular disease, every field is affected. So education is not the exception to it. Education system also is collapsed because of this Corona pandemic situation. But we have to overcome it. With the help of technology, we can continue our learning process. We know that nowadays we can't come together. We are not able to conduct the class in classroom. But with the help of the technology, we have to continue the process. My dear students, now you are in the third year of the degree course. You have completed very successfully the first 2 years of the degree course, and now you are entered in the third year. It is told that when we come in the third year, naturally you become a matured student. The point of view to look at one particular things, it completely changed. The attitude also is changed at that in this particular stage. So what I am trying to tell you that you are now fully matured. You can understand now what is wrong and what is correct. The difference between the good and evil, you can identify it. From that point of view, I am telling you that you are the mature one. As far as academic curriculum is concerned, I don't want to waste time while talking on other things. I would like to come directly on the topic. So far, in the first 2 years of degree course, you have learned literature. The literature which is written in English language, and you have been learning since first year of the degree course. In the first year, you have learned some branches of literature. Very well you know the genres or the types of literature, that is poetry, drama and novel. These are the branches or the genres of literature, and very well you have gone through it. Now in the first year you had 2 papers of optional subjects. When you came in second year, you had 2 optional papers. But now when you come in third year, you will come to know that instead of 2 papers, there are 3 papers of optional English subjects. You have to learn 3 papers. Of course, these 3 papers are equally divided among the faculties. The one paper will deal with by my colleagues, Professor Kalyan Kadam. One more paper will deal with by my another colleague, Ravi Sagar. And the paper that I am going to deal with you is completely different from the topics, from the papers that you have learned so far. the question may be arised in your mind, what type of paper it should be or it is, when I am saying that it is a different from other papers. Of course, it is completely different. Just now, I told you that you have learned literature so far. But the paper through which we are going to deal with, it is not related with the literature, but it is related with the language. And the language, which language? English language. So our concern, as far as my paper is concerned, is related, it is concerns with language. The title of the paper that we are going to deal with, which is prescribed by our university, is Modern English Structure and Introduction to English Sounds. It is the title of the paper. Modern English Structure. The title itself tells us that it is dealing with the language and its structure. Further, an introduction to English speech sounds. It means that it is related with the English sounds. It is related with the pronunciation of the English sounds. And that is why I am telling you that so far you have learned literature, the literature which is written in English language, of course, but now we are not going to learn English literature, but we are going to learn English language, its pronunciation and its sounds in detail.